Hi, Kathy, with 3 Minute Piano Lessons. So here's my song, The Grandfather Clock. And what I really did with that, I took the original Big Ben chimes and I just put it around a lot of variations. So sometimes it's in the right hand, and on the second page it comes in on the left hand, so you'll hear it. I learned a lot about that old clock. It was actually made in 1793, and they think there was actually three professors involved in deciding what the tune was going to be, those chimes would be, and they think it actually came from the Handel's Messiah, I Know My Redeemer Liveth. So I thought that was interesting. Also inside the old clock, there's a plaque that has a prayer to it, and one of the variations of the prayer reads that I liked, O Lord our God, thy children call, grant us thy peace and bless us all. So I really liked that. I liked researching about that old clock. You can hear those chimes on the football field. You can hear it in the basketball games. You can hear it on movies. You can hear it at train stations, school bells, church bells. It's very common. So you're going to hear it in my song, and I really enjoyed putting it together. So just as I described in the earlier video, I have an ostinato bass line going, and that's the second hand, so it's not fast. So here we go.